Hey guys, it's Pauline. I have a quick little Amazon share. So I thought that we could go over it. See what's in here. All right. Oh, okay. So I was watching someone's YouTube, of course, and I was shocked. I didn't know that that they have a well, I don't know if I wouldn't say counterfeit. They have a inexpensive version of the Pilot Vanishing Point, and that is the name of it. And so I thought, well, I gotta check this out because if this works well, I might, you know, maybe get another one. But because I really like the Pilot Vanishing Point, I use it like pretty much every day, but I don't take it out of the house. So if this is just as good as this, then I will probably take this to work. So anyway, let's take a look at this. The box is nice. It didn't just come in a in just some plastic or something. So that's nice. I think you call that Majohn. And then let's see. Let's take a look at this. Some instructions. And oh, y'all excuse me, I'm dealing with something. I think it's just pharyngitis and allergies. All right, so I took that out of there before showing you. So it's not cushiony or anything, but oh, let's see, that's upside down. This is the box that comes in, and I saw someone else show that it does come with a converter, a pipette, and I think this is like a little kind of like an inkwell or spare. I don't know if you can call it an inkwell, but anyway, I think this is a travel ink whatever tube. Okay, but anyway, let's see. I don't know if you can see it with the glare. So let's see. All right, and then the converter. So that's awesome. And then here's the pen, and it looks just like the Pilot Vanishing Point. So this is Moon Man. Now the box says Majohn, but let's see. And it looks comparable. Now, is that a clip? I don't know what that is. Okay, I don't know what that is. It doesn't look like it's a clip. But anyway, so for the people that they don't like the clip being down here at the bottom, they took care of that. You don't have one. So let's see. Let's take a look. If it pretty much feels the same. It retracts and everything. Let's see. Let's see if you can see. Now this is the Pilot one. Can't hardly do that one-handed. All right. Let's see. Well, I can't do it one-handed. I guess I don't have enough hand strength. But anyway, so let's take a look. I mean, it sounds the same. Well, this does feel a little bit heavier. The Pilot one does feel a little bit heavier than this one. Excuse me. Okay, so let's take a look at the band that's in the middle. I love the look of it already. I mean, everything I like about the pilot one so far, I like about this. So, let's see. And the internal stuff looks identical. So, let's see. So, this is the pilot. Okay. Whoops. Oh, I did that upside down. Oh, I had some leakage. Okay. So this is the pilot. And this is the Moon Man. They look interchangeable. So now I'm going to have to see if it is. Okay. So let's see. This goes down the little notch that's built for it. Yep. Interchangeable. Look at that. All right, so I won't mix this up. Wait a minute. I did mix it up already. This is theirs. So let's see. This is the pilot one. Okay. All right. So now, let's see. And it does. Oh, let's see. See if I can write with it. Yep. Perfect. Okay. So let's take it out of here. This is the pilot one. All right. So, I am not going to make y'all watch me ink this up and everything. But I just thought that I would share that with you guys. All right. Sorry, my voice is giving out. But that is the Majohn, I think A1, I think it's the name of it. All right, guys, that is all I had to share today. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.